In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent email message in Outlook, Office 365. This can be a lifesaver if you've ever hit send on an email and immediately wished you could take it back. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you can navigate the process with confidence. To start, open up your Outlook account. This is where all the magic begins. You'll want to access your Outlook through either the web or your desktop application, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you're in, head directly to the Sent Items folder. This is where Outlook stores all the emails you've already sent, making it easy to locate the message you wish to retrieve. Find the email you want to recall and open it by simply clicking on it. With the email open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll notice a Move to folder option. Clicking on this might sometimes reveal a recall message option. However, don't be alarmed if it's not there immediately. Outlook can be a bit particular, and sometimes this option won't appear here at first glance. If you don't see the recall message option immediately, don't worry, there's another way. Look towards the right corner of your email window. Here, you'll find three dots, often called an ellipsis, for more options. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to hover over Advanced Actions. This section contains a plethora of options, including hopefully the elusive recall message. At this point, you should be able to see the recall message option, allowing you to proceed with recalling the unwanted email. Now, it's worth noting that there could be instances where this option still doesn't appear. This might occur for a few reasons, such as if your email is quite new, or if it's just a sample message and hasn't fully processed through the system yet. If recalling doesn't work in this instance, it might be beyond your control, often due to settings in the recipient's email system. Recalling an email can be incredibly handy, but keep in mind that it doesn't always work perfectly. It's dependent not only on your email settings, but also on those of your recipient, and sometimes issues might prevent a successful recall. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Now, you should have a solid understanding of how to attempt recalling an email in Outlook, Office 365, and navigate through any hiccups you might encounter. Until next time, happy emailing